Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Top Cricket Prediction. Today we are going to tell you WBBL 2023 match number 33 match prediction, which is between Sydney Sixers Oman versus Hobart Hurricanes Oman. Key players in this match: Elise Perry, Ash Gardner, Chloe Trion, Elisa Villani, Lizzie Lee, Shabnam Ismail. Friends, if you don't subscribe our channel, please do it. Head-to-head record: Sydney Sixers Oman win 16 times, Hobart Hurricanes Oman win 2 times. Average run in this ground: 155 runs. Run prediction in this match: Sydney Sixers Oman fast bat 150 plus runs. Hobart Hurricanes Oman fast bat 160 minus runs. WBBL 2023 match number 33, Sydney Sixers Oman versus Hobart Hurricanes Oman. Our prediction is Sydney Sixers Oman will win the match. What do you think about this match? Who will win? Share with us in our comment box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe please. You can also visit our channel for another match prediction.